In this session, I'll be explaining about the use of corresponding operator. The operator corresponding allows to execute move corresponding for structures or internal tables at operand positions. Besides automatic assigning, you can also do your own mapping similar to move corresponding, but it has more controls what to move and what not to move, despite having the column names same or different. You can see it here. This is one structure and this is another structure. This structure has two fields and other structure has three fields. Work area 1 of structure 1 having value 10, 20. Work area 2 of the structure 2 having three columns 1, 2 and 3. Now when you trigger LSW1 is line 1, no issue. The structure is same, so it got it. Let's trigger this statement. Work area 2 equal to corresponding line 1. What will happen? Work area 2 has three fields. Work area 1 has two fields. What happens? It is simple move corresponding runs and the values are copied. As it has two fields, so the corresponding 10, 20 got copied, and for the third field, column 3, there is no value in line 1, so it became 0. Now let's see when we are going to use LSWA1 to WA2. Before what is happening? Here you can see the last slide we gave the hash symbol because WA2 is nothing but the work area 2 for line 2. So it's implicitly identified. Now let's see how can do the mapping, our own mapping rule to map and exclude from mapping. There are two structures, old structure and new structure. Old structure had A1 to A4 and new one A1, A2 but B3, B4. Four columns but the field names are different. Now let's populate first internal table. So LT old or A1, A2, A3, A4. Four records added into old table. Now LT new equal to corresponding. So corresponding implicit because we are going to have a data of LT new. LT new is nothing but type of TY new. LT old, so LT new get everything from LT old with a mapping B4 equal to A1. That means A1 will be copied to A1, A2 will be copied to A3, A2 will be copied to A2, and A1 will be copied to B4 because we gave mapping B4 equal to A1. Then except A2. So A2 it will not go. Okay. So the result will be A1, A1 will be copied to A1. Fine. A2 should have been copied, but we said except A2. So we are not copying A2. A2 will not be copied. And A3 to B3, no, because there is no mapping. And A4 will be copied to, sorry, A1 will be copied to B4. So A1 value is 1, 2, 3, 4, get copy to B4. B4, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So mapping helps to enable any field of source to any field of target. Which field of source to which field of target. Even if the names are not the same, is fine still. Even you can see A1 and B4 they are not same. Still you can map. And mapping takes the precedence. Except used to exclude the mapping while copying the records. So this is how in corresponding we can use mapping and expect to do our own mapping regardless of the column names are same or not and exclude any field from mapping. Thank you for watching.